Hello from Halo. This is Sam and Lydell, who will be walking me through making a fillable PDF document.
So you start off with the basic PDF, and what you do is you just bring it into. This one is actually the what was it called? Acrobat DC. Yeah, Acrobat Pro DC. So you can't do this on the actual reader. So we need these. You need to use a computer that has this actual program. So, oh shoot. Here it is.
The sidebar.
Yeah, I meant to push this one. So the more tools, once you go to more tools, what you're actually going to do is click on this prepare form. And that's kind of how it goes. And you can actually select these different fields. This one is checkboxes, you can see, and these ones are text. It breaks everything down. And you can add different text boxes. So say I want one right here. Usually it's pretty good about doing it itself. As you saw, like it already had these kind of pre-selected. But if you need to add additional ones, you can kind of go along there. And on top of that, what you can do is select your properties for each one. So based on appearance, so if you want them a specific font size, you can go 14 if you want it to be bold, or anything that's, so you can do alphabetical bold or times bold. And we'll just go with that, and then close. Then do the same for all the other ones you need. And then what we can do is close, and from there
It's now fillable.
It's now fillable. So, and like I said, we did a alphabetical, and you can see on this one it's regular. So all the different properties you can mess with just to help customize it the way you like it. And these ones will be checkboxes, and you can also within that form select different types of check. You can either do like check marks or X's, or you can just keep it as this. So quick way to do it. So that's pretty much it. And then you would have to save it. So we can go file, save as. Right now we're in new apparel, so we'll go in there. And what we're actually going to do at the end is I'm going to score a fillable, and we'll save it there. That's it.
That was a really quick, helpful tutorial. Thank you very much, Lydell. Again, this was Sam and Lydell from Halo. I hope this helps you all out with your processes.